Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove dash air vents on Volkswagen Passat B6, B7 and CC in just a few simple steps. You can replace the dash air vents from the Volkswagen Passat B6 with the ones from the Passat B7. You have to use the trim tool, so you can find the trim tool removal tool set like this in the video description below. To remove the left air vent, you have to insert the trim tool exactly where the tabs are and then pry it out. The tabs are in the corner, so you have to insert the trim tool just around the corner. You can find Volkswagen Passat B6, B7 and CC dash air vents at the best price in the video description below. So here is the air vent from the left side. You can see those two tabs from the lower side, and then the other two tabs on the upper side. You can look for the front dash air vent from the left using the serial number 3C1819701F. You can find it right there. When you have the new air vent, you just have to place it and insert it back on the dash. It's very simple to install it. Then let's remove the right air vent. So you have to also insert the trim tool around the corner where the tabs are and then pry it out. You have to use the trim tool because otherwise you will scratch the dash. Then pry it out. And that's it, no cables. You just have to take it out from the dash. So here are the tabs. Also are the same with the one on the left side. Then you can look for the front dash air vent from the right side using the serial number 3C1819702F. Here it is. Then when you have the new air vent, you just have to place it in the right place and then push it back. To remove the center air vent, you have to insert the trim tool where the yellow arrows are pointed to pry it out. So you can see on the upper side there's two tabs, on the left and on the right, and on the lower side there's four. If you don't know how to remove it, or if you can't get the front center air vent out, you should follow the next steps. The following steps shows you a much safer way to remove it without breaking it. So if you can see, it's much harder to remove it with the pry tool. So we cannot manage to remove it, so we move to the next steps. So start removing those two dashboard trims using the trim tool. Start with the one from the right dash. and then remove the center one. Then remove the plastic frame from the instrument cluster. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Then remove the plastic frame from the radio unit. You can use your bare hands or you can use a trim tool. Then remove those two T20 Torx screws. Then pull the center dash storage out and disconnect those two connectors from the back. Insert both hands under the central air vents and then push them out. There are the tabs that holds the center air vent in place. that I showed you earlier. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.